Did you miss to buy Bitcoin when it was trading under $1? In this video we're going to look at a project where you're going to invest extremely early. Yes, you're going to invest at the rock bottom and we could expect a major 10x exactly from this level. Yes, the project we're going to look at solves a lot of problems when it comes to Web3 and also blockchain interoperability, the bridging between different blockchains and building a Web3 application, for instance like with payments, and maybe even this is going to be incorporated in X because we got a lot of insider information who's been accumulating exactly at these bottoms. So if you want to be one step ahead and buy this coin under $1, which is going to see an easy 10x exactly from this level, you need to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In this video we're going to look at the Move coin on the Move network, and for that we're first of all going to go over to CoinMarketCap. So first of all we're going to find out a little bit more about the Move coin, also called Movement, which is at the moment on rank 67 on the overall crypto market. But first of all guys, the market cap is at 1.29 billion. So we still have a lot of room left to see a major pump towards the upside because this project is fairly new. It got launched in September 2024. The Movement Network is an ecosystem of modular move-based blockchain that enables developers to build secure, performant and interoperable blockchain applications, like for instance payment solutions, bridging the gap between Move and Ethereum virtual machine ecosystems. So the key highlight here is developers can build secure platforms and interoperable blockchains, and that is going to be extremely important when it comes to payment methods, which are going to accept different blockchains to be interoperable into one major application for payments, for instance. But let's carry on. Movement Network is building a community-first blockchain ecosystem powered by the Move programming language. It aims to provide high transaction speed, instant finality, and native access to shared liquidity across multiple chains. And once again, the key factor is going to be interoperability and also across different chains. Because yes, the network uses innovative components like Move Executor and fast finality settlement, a decentralized shared sequencer to create a secure and efficient blockchain environment. So yes guys, this is going to be the next highlight, a decentralized network. So ultimately guys, I see a huge potential in the Movement Network, and we're going to go over to the website because yes, here you can find out everything you need to know about the Movement coin and all the technical details, which I'm not going to highlight within this video. I just see the huge potential being extremely early and buying it exactly at the bottom, because we see when all coins get launched, we see this major pump, a consolidation and a retracement, and this is the best opportunity to buy exactly here, because even if you bought it exactly on the launch date, you would have maybe bought it all the way up here. So ultimately guys, with buying these new projects, you want to buy exactly after the first holders that made a major profit exactly on the launch, that they're out of the market or that they have reaccumulated exactly at the bottom. We're going to look at the charts, but first of all guys, let's look at this insider information who has been accumulating exactly at the bottom, and we're going to go over to X. Because yes, on the 14th of February, we had this post breaking Trump's World Liberty Finance, the company of Donald Trump, bought 1.4 million worth of Move coin and 5 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin. And yes guys, we know that he has been accumulating Bitcoin and also Ethereum, but guys, what is really going to be important, that he's also accumulating Move, because he first bought 2 days before this post, which was roundabout on the 12th of February, and then we saw that exactly on the 14th of February he accumulated even more, and yes, he bought 1.4 million. So does he have any information that maybe we're going to see that the Move network is going to be incorporated on X? And even if not, I do believe that this project, with all the attributes being decentralized and also being a solution for blockchain interoperability and building this application on Web3, with all the payment solutions, maybe even an integrated wallet on X to solve all of these problems, I do believe that Donald Trump has some kind of insider information that he bought 1.4 million exactly on the 12th and also 14th of February exactly within these levels. The 12th of February was exactly here at this major swing low, exactly at the levels of 51 cents. And now we see that the price movement got this pump and came all the way back down to form this double bottom. And yes, even if the price movement goes a little bit lower, I would still accumulate, hold my position, because I bought exactly on the 12th, on the 14th, and even just before this video started, I accumulated even more exactly within these levels, because if we're going to look at the technical targets that we could reach in the immediate short term, we're going to look at the Fibonacci retracement level all the way from the swing high, the all-time high, which is exactly at the levels of $1.41, and we're going to drag it all the way back down to the swing low. Then we can see that our major next targets are going to be the previous highs exactly here, where we formed this triple top. Round about the levels of $1.14, we can see that the price movement could come all the way back up into this range. And yes, if you're going to buy the bottom exactly here, we're going to look at the potential exactly from the bottom all the way just to the 61.8. This would be a pump of 97%. So let's say around about 100% that you are going to be up if you're going to buy exactly the bottom. But we're going to look at some price targets based on the Fibonacci retracement level as a bullish case. And yes guys, the major level that we could reach by the end of this bull cycle is the 4.618, round about the $4 level. And this is going to be a pump of 783. And yes guys, I'm going to go even as far that we could reach the psychological level of $5, but keep in mind, these are just my conservative price targets. We could even go as high if we're going to see any kind of incorporation, let's say for X, that Elon Musk is going to incorporate the movement network on X as a payment solution, or a Web3 payment solution on X, or even if we're going to see that the market cap is going to reach some higher levels, then we could expect even a 20x, that this coin is going to go all the way to the levels of $10 or even $12. Yes guys, this is going to be a 2000% return if you're going to buy this investment like Donald Trump exactly at the bottom, because you have the opportunity to front run the overall market, because we have this insider information. He's not going to buy 1.4 million exactly at the bottom to make a few 100% returns. He knows something that we don't, and you know something. Yes guys, you need to get into the movement network, because I'm accumulating exactly here. And if we're going to get this major pump, this is too late to enter the crypto market, because overall we can see we are in this major accumulation phase, and you have the opportunity to invest into this firm project exactly at the bottom. Because yes, if we're going to look at the market cap, which is round about the levels of 1.2 billion, and if we're going to go over to the overall cryptocurrencies at the top 20, if we're going to look at a coin like AVAX, Stellar or Sui being at a market cap of round about 9 billion at the moment, not at the all-time high, this is going to be an easy 10x for the Move coin, which is around about 1.2 billion. In this case, we would see that the overall market cap is going to 7x. And if we're going to see that Movement coin has a major incorporation, maybe even in major projects like on X, we're going to see that it can reach price levels like Dogecoin or even Cardano with a market cap of round about 28 billion. So yes guys, there you have your 20x on Movement. So that's why I'm accumulating exactly here. And if you always want to stay up to date which coin I'm going to buy next, join my free Telegram group and be subscribed to B for Crypto. But most importantly guys, if you want to trade Move on the spot market or even on the futures market, sign up to BloFin, where you don't need any KYC, and you can also buy Move on the spot market on BloFin. But guys, you can also trade using my exclusive link on Phemex without any KYC, because all my signups are going to be whitelisted. So you don't need any KYC if you're going to trade on Phemex or even BloFin. So make sure to be subscribed and buy Move exactly at the bottom, because ultimately guys, this is going to be the rock bottom. You're going to make some major profits on the Move network, because remember, Trump is accumulating and he knows something that we don't. So yes guys, this is going to be the final stage of the bull market. The altcoin market cap is about to turn around, because overall guys, we don't need quantitative easing. We just need that the dollar index is going to dump. And yes, we're seeing that the dollar is getting weaker, and Trump is going to push the US dollar down, because he invested into Move and he's expecting this major move towards the upside. So yes guys, be one step ahead and make sure to be subscribed to B for Crypto. Smash up the like button, and we see each other in the next video.